Hello everyone, today we are going to read a story with Peppa Pig called Daddy Pig Puts Up a Picture. Mummy Pig is going to visit Granny and Grandpa Pig. She calls to tell them she's on her way. Daddy Pig is staying at home with Peppa and George. He has an important job to do. Daddy Pig is going to put up a picture. He is the DIY expert of the house. Are you sure you can do it? Asked Mummy Pig. Please don't make a mess. Ho, 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 laughs Daddy Pig. As soon as Mummy Pig has gone, Daddy Pig gets started. Stand back, children, and watch a craftsman at work, he says. Daddy Pig finds a nail to hang the picture on. He gets out his hammer. Don't break the wall, Daddy, warns Peppa. Daddy Pig hits the nail with a hammer. Thwack! Now there are lots of big cracks in the wall. It's not meant to do that, says Daddy Pig. Oh, cries Peppa. You have broken the wall. Daddy Pig decides to pull the nail out and fill in the cracks. Uh-oh, Daddy Pig has pulled too hard. Now he really has broken the wall. Whoa! Do you think Mommy will notice? Asks Peppa. I think she might, says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig has to mend the wall before Mommy Pig comes home. Peppa and George help him fill the hole with bricks. He. Daddy Pig fetches some plaster. He spreads it all over the bricks. There, he chuckles. Easy as pie. The wall is looking better already. Daddy Pig opens a pot of green paint. He paints all over the plaster. It's as good as new, he chuckles. Hooray! Hooray! The wall is mended, but look at all the mess Daddy Pig has made. Goodness me, says Daddy Pig. We'd better clean up before Mommy Pig comes back. Daddy Pig washes Peppa and George. They haven't had a bath in the daytime before. Peppa vacuums the floor while Daddy Pig tidies up the tools. Hurry, Daddy, says Peppa. George watches at the window. Mummy! Mummy Pig is walking up to the house. Hello, says Mummy Pig. Why haven't you put up the picture? She quickly hangs it on the wall. There! That looked easy, gasped Peppa. But when you did it, Daddy, it looked really hard. Shh, don't tell anyone, said Daddy Pig. The end. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe.